What if I could teach you in 1 week how to overcome the burning in your throat, the stomach issues, the H. pylori infection, the acid reflux, GERD, gastritis, LPR, indigestion, not being able to sleep at night because the acid is coming up? What if you could learn anything you need in 1 week? Now, I'm not saying improve all your symptoms and heal everything in 1 week, but learning everything you need and start seeing first improvements in 1 week. That's what I created the 1 week stomach healing challenge for. So you get all my tools, you know what to eat, simple healing foods, my best friend ginger, everything plant-based, no crazy medication, no super expensive supplements, just this simple, pure way of healing just based on nature. I thought to myself, how can I not just give you that guide and make you, fend for yourself, but really give you the best support so you're not just all on your own and trying to figure it out, but I actually walk you through step by step what to do with troubleshooting sessions, with everything included and everything in 1 week. So it's super doable, and the things you learn you can implement afterwards step by step through the rest of your life, so you're never going to deal with any PPIs or acid blockers or painkillers for your stomach ever again. The 1 week stomach healing challenge training, and what that includes, isn't that nice, my little board here? Training includes is, first of all, of course, the not yet released and not yet published stomach healing challenge guide itself. That guide comes with everything included, with a 7-day meal plan, done for you shopping list so you don't have to think about anything, simple stomach healing recipes like I shared with you before, with essential ingredients like this friend, the carrot. For this one I also included a daily healing protocol which contains all the steps to do so you don't get confused, when to take which supplement, when to take which juice. It's all ordered, what to do and when, in one protocol that you can also print out. There's supplement guidance if you want to include some supplements. There are 3 essential supplements that I recommend on your stomach healing journey. To make this really fun, of course, the tracking protocol that so many one-on-one clients really appreciate, it is included in a fun and simple way, so you actually can track your progress and you see what's working and what doesn't. When it comes to food, I made you lists where I explain which are healing foods and why they work, and which are foods and beverages that you need to avoid in order for you to make it really easy for your stomach to heal as fast as possible. So you can always, even just after that week, come back to that list and I'm feeling a bit off, maybe I'll just do more of this and less of that. Because the whole idea of this 1 week stomach healing challenge is to give you everything you need so you can continue your journey after that week, after the supported week, the training week, on your own, and you have that clarity so you don't have to trust doctors and tests and take your power back and your healing back into your own hands. Now, what makes this really an all-inclusive training are the 3 live calls that we're going to do all together in a small group setting. So you get walked step by step how to heal your stomach, and I packed it all in 1 week. If you can't make it to a call, don't worry, it also gets recorded and you can access it later. The first call is the intro call, where I explain the stomach healing challenge, how it works, why it works, what you need to know. We clarify any questions that you have up front. Then the second one is the midweek call, where we check in and we review your progress so far, and we look if there's any customization that needs to be done. If there's any place where you can stuck, we unstuck you. And the third call is on the final day, where we discuss your next steps. We also do some troubleshooting if anything came up, and there's a live Q&A. And again, if you can't make it to any of the calls, we record them so you don't have to worry about missing out or anything. So if you want to overcome H. pylori, acid reflux, GERD, stomach pain, indigestion, gastritis, this is going to be the fast track and the most sustainable version that I can offer you. I really want to support you, and I want to see your success and celebrate. That's why I also made it super affordable, and you don't have to take medication for the rest of your life and just deal with the burning and deal with this low energy and not being able to sleep and all of that. So if you're excited, I love to work with you. I love to do this together with you, and click the link below to secure your seat now.